Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. It's grow your own time. That means the selection and sprouting of certified Irish seed potatoes. And here at Horkans, we've got a wonderful selection of blight-resistant seed potatoes. So if you want to grow your potatoes organically this year in pots, containers, or out in your garden soil, select some of our best blight-resistant varieties. And my favourite has to be Irish Gold. Irish Gold is an Irish variety. It produces huge, golden, great tasting potatoes in midsummer. It also is a beautiful flowery variety with fantastic blight resistance. You've also got Records, another favourite of mine, with a beautiful yellow flesh. Sapromira are one of the Hungarian potatoes that produce beautiful red skin potatoes, very similar to Rooster, but fantastic blight resistance. You've also got Purple Rain, which is a purple skin potatoes. Your children will absolutely love it. It's purple inside like a beetroot and outside. Really good variety. Vitabella is again one of my favorite varieties. Vitabella produces great tasting potatoes for eating right throughout the late spring, early summer period. Really nice variety, one that you can grow in your tunnels, greenhouses, or indeed you can plant out in the garden soil. And finally, Premier again is a blight resistant variety. One again I'd highly recommend. It's a big cropper with a great flavour. So remember, it's grow your own time here at Horkans in our Sligo, Galway and Castlebar centres. And my advice is to select the blight resistant varieties to make it easier for you this year to grow your potatoes organically.